Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to start a new challenge which was thought of by Anne Brooks, textile artist. So this challenge is from 2021 and I'm a bit behind the times, but I was going to do it back then but I didn't. So I'm starting it this year. And what it's called is 52 tags handmade. I'll put the hashtag on the screen so you can see it, but the idea is to create a tag every week using the prompts that Anne sets. So, and they're all for slow stitching and normal stitching, and just to get inspired and create little tags. So the first prompt is white. So what I've got is I've got some white homespun, and I've just cut out a small rectangle as my base fabric for my creation. I have no idea where this is going to go, but I thought every Tuesday I may film making a tag, and by the end of the year we will have 52 tags. So I used my Sizzix die to cut them out, so I used it from this set, so it's this one here, and I've cut out 53 because I'm going to make a cover page, 53 tags, and each week we will create something on the tags. So the first prompt is white, so I've got my little base, and I thought you could come along, and if you want to join in, it's definitely not too late, anyone can do it, and create a little slow stitched piece. So what I'll do is I will zoom you in a wee bit so you can maybe see a bit better. Okay, right, so I've got my little bucket of scraps here, and what I'm going to be looking for is bits of white fabric. I've got Christmas, I've got other ones, and I'm going to make, that's good, the base. I think that Christmas piece will be fine. So these aren't even ironed. They were ironed at some point. So what I might do is cut that about there. So don't need that at the moment. And then we're just going to stitch these on in whatever fashion. And it's a good way to use some scraps. So where did that other bit go? So you can use lace, you can use all your anything that can be stitched down can be used. I should have probably ironed some of these. So we'll go down to that skinny end because there's lots of what's the word, lots of stripes. Cut that. And then that can be stitched onto there. And I've got some number perlate cotton that I'll use. That can go there. Now I need some lace. Those can go back in there. So it's anything white. can go on this tag. Look at that. Could use that little leafy swirly bit. Keep that out. And a piece of that. Okay, now let's put, that's probably a bit wide. I'm going to plug on this bag. Those are my creamy coloured. It could go down there and just hang off the edge. That's what we could do. And then, what I'll do is I'll cut a piece of that off at about there. And then that can go on there. This end will eventually fray. Right, just let me find some white buttons. Originally I thought maybe a snowman. I could do a snowman with buttons, but right, we will maybe just those two. Can go up there. So this is my idea so far. Let me zoom in a little bit more. There we go. So I think we will firstly stitch these two down. So I've got my new needle book that's finished. And for this I'm going to use a chenille needle. Probably that one. Okay. I was having a look last night on Instagram at the hashtag, and wow, there's some really cool ones. I mean, they're all beautiful, but just, you know, the inspiration there is just fabulous. So, come up here where you can see. I'll probably speed this bit up so that you're not sitting here watching me stitch this in, and I will be back soon. Okay, I'm just about at the end of where I want to be doing this stitching, so that's going to be there. And so that will be attached to my tag there, so that's fine. Now don't know if I want that, which side do I want it on? I think I like it on that side. And then the lace going down there. Okay, so I've finished this piece off. Put one more stitch in there. Grab a bit of the fabric, make a loop. to snip that off. I don't know where my other scissors are. Oh, I do. They're in here, where they should be. Right. Okay, so that is that little piece done. That will go there like that. That will go there. And then I will stitch that. I might stitch that down first. Might go that way. Okay. Right. Let's attach that piece. Just pop a little pin maybe down here to hold that in. And I'm just going to do a running stitch through all of those little holes there. That makes yeah. Okay, so that's how my little tag is looking so far. And then that, I think, don't know if there's a, yeah, that's the right side. Maybe let's get this little, I suppose it's like a little wave, isn't it? That's the wave, that's the sand, and these will be up in the sky. Maybe we'll bring that down a bit, so but then there's all that white space, so we'll put that there. Pop a little pin in there to hold it. Stitch it down. Now, how am I going to do this one? So there's our little piece so far. So I've just back stitched all the way around the inside of this little wave. And that's all done, and then now all I've got to do is put my little buttons up in the corner and it's done. So let's do that. Okay, there's my little piece, all in whites. The buttons are probably not exactly white, but that's okay. So I'm going to attach that to my tag. Oops, my tag's upside down. And then on the back, in the challenge, Anne's suggested that you can do a little bit of journaling about that week that you made the tag, but I'm just going to put on the back what week it was and what the prompt was. So let's do that. Where is my pen? Okay, so we will write on here hashtag 52 tags handmade. So that's the hashtag. Hand as in hand, handmade. So challenge was set in 2021, but I'm starting it in 2023. So week 1 is white. Okay. I'll put today's date on there. What's the date today? Today is the 10th. Of January. I just got a date stamp, so I'll just stamp that at the bottom. Didn't do that very well, but you can read it. That is fine. Okay. So now I'm going to attach that to my tag. So I'm going to use a bit of fabric glue and put some on the back. Okay, that is more than enough, and I've got it everywhere. Right. So flip her over. How fun is that? Okay, and there is tag number 1, all done. I like that. So that will go onto our ring. And it's all done. So thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you come back next week and we will work on next week's tag. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.